Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Boolean operators and comparisons. AND is true if both or all conditions are met. So true and true. Or, this is true if either or if any conditions are met. True or false. Not. This is true if the opposite of the condition is true. So for example, not false. Equal, equal. This is true if they are equal to each other. So if A and B are equal to each other. Not equal to. This is true if they do not equal each other. Greater than, true if A is greater than B. Less than, true if A is less than B. Greater than, equal to, true if A is greater than or equal to B. And less than, equal to, true if A is less than or equal to B. So here are some truth tables. So you should remember that the numerical value of true is 1 and the numerical value of false is 0. So if we have false and false, that means that this is false. If we have false and true, false, true and false, false. And I know you can't see it here, but it's actually true and true. That's the only case where AND will have a true value. For the OR truth table, remember it's true if either or any of the conditions are met. So true or false is true. So if we have false or false, we get false. False or true, we get true. True or false, we get true. And true or true, we get true. And the not truth table is really simple. If A is false, then B has to be true. And if A is true, then B has to be false. Thank you for watching and be sure to watch the next video.